In this video, I will show you an overview of my approach to how to build websites. This will be short and quick. I'll just show you how I set up my containers. First, I always create a root container that will contain all my inner containers. Then I set my root container's content alignment from left to right. Then I set the gaps between elements to be 0 pixels. Then I set my root container to be wrapped. Then if I want more spacing, I set a padding to its top and bottom. Make sure you set the left and right padding to 0, whether you want to add padding to its bottom and top or not. I'll just set a background color for the moment. Then I create an inner container inside my root container to contain my other widgets. Newly created containers have 10 pixels padding on all 4 sides by default, but you can change this if you want. Then, you can directly add widgets inside your inner container if you do not intend to put a background color to your inner container. And because I intend to put my widgets inside another inner container with a background color, I'll drag another container here inside my inner container. And I'll apply a white background to this container. Then I'll drag my widgets inside it. Then I'll add padding inside this container to make more space. Let's say something like 40 pixels on all sides. Let's change this heading's font styles. I will set its color to green. And its font to Poppins. Let's duplicate this container. If the cadence header bothers you, let's disable it for the moment. Just click this gear icon, then on its page layout, change it to Elementor Canvas. Then save your changes. But always make sure to turn it back to Elementor full width when you're done editing your page, because this will disable the header and footer for your specific page. Now, let's change both of our inner containers' content width to full width. Now we want to have a 3-column layout. To have a 3-column layout, just divide 100% by 3, which is 33.33%. Let's set our container's width to 33.33%. And the other container too, let's set it to 33.33%. If you don't have a whole number like 33.33%, always include the first 2 decimal numbers. Now, let's duplicate this container so we'll have a 3-column layout. Then, let's duplicate this container again. And because the 3 columns already occupied 100% of the container's width, the next containers will be on the next row. And to fill the empty spaces, let's just change this container's width to 100%. And that's my simple approach in building websites using Elementor. See you on the next video.